back to our channel, and for those of you that are new, thank you so much for stopping by. So today I have a fall everyday makeup look for you. I'm using some new products that I absolutely love and I wanted to share it with you guys. So if you want to see what I ended up using, then just keep on watching. Guys, before we begin this video, make sure to hit the like button. It really helps out our channel. Also subscribe and hit that notification bell so that way you'll be notified every time we upload. Now let's jump right into the video. Alright guys, so this is my face without any makeup on. Don't mind all of the breakouts. I don't know what's going on with my face, but I am trying to figure out if I need to change my products around, seeing as the weather is getting more colder and we're no longer in summer. So I'm testing some things out to see if I can clear this up. But that's fine because we're going to be putting on makeup. We're going to cover it up. To begin, I'm going to start off with the Wet n Wild Prime Focus Primer Serum. And yes, I am low, but this is what I've been using on everyday basis. So I'm just going to apply some right here and here. Next, I'm going to be applying my foundation, and the one that I've been using right now is the L'Oreal True Match Super Blendable Foundation in the color Sand Beige Warm W5. I'll list all this stuff in the description box so that way you guys can check it out. And what I do is that I put a little bit here on the sponge like that, and then I start to dot over my face. And now we're going in and we're blending it in. Next, I'm going to be going in with my concealer, and I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer, Satin Finish in the color Light Beige. Again, I'm going to go in with the Beauty Blender. And now to set my concealer, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless powder in the color Natural Beige 220. And I'm not going to be using a brush, and I'm not going to be using a sponge. I'm going to be using one of these little applicators. And I'm going to set the concealer underneath my eyes first. Next, I'm going to be going in with the L'Oreal True Match Super Blendable Powder in the color Warm. So this is what it looks like, and I'm just going to take a brush. Next, I'm going to be contouring my face, and I'm going to be using this palette from Five Below. This is what it looks like, and I'm going to be using an angle brush. I'm going to use this color first. And then I'm going to go in and I'm going to use this bronzer. And then I'm going to go in with my highlighter from Wet n Wild Mega Glow in the color Blossom Glow. Next, I'm going to just brush my eyebrows up, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to fill them in. So I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild Color Icon in the color Panther. You guys have seen me use this before. So for my eyebrows, to set it and to brush them out, I'm going to use this brush. And I'm going to be going in with the Got To Be Ultra Glue. This is my hubby's, so babe, I'm going to be using it real quick. But I'm not going to be using a lot, so don't worry. So all you're going to use is a little dot like that. With the brush, you're going to go in like this. You don't want to saturate it, but you just want to get enough product in there. Like that. And then you're just going to stroke up. Like this. This is just going to help your eyebrows to basically stay in place. But what I like about it is that it gives it more of like a clean look. And then what I do is that I go in with the tip and I go like this. And that's that. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna do the other one. And that's it. If I feel like I want to make my eyebrows look a little bit more darker, then I'll go in with my mascara, and this is the Wet n Wild Mega Length Mascara in the color Berry Black. And this is what it looks like. What I'll do is I'll clean the brush just enough, and I'll go in with the very light hands because you don't want to end up messing up your eyebrows. And I guess I'll get closer to have you guys see, and I'll just lightly stroke. Next, I'm gonna go in with this palette again, the one that we use for bronzing, and I'm gonna go in with this color with this brush, and we're just gonna apply that all over my eyelid. And you wanna bring it up very close to the eyebrow bone. Next, with this brush, I'm going to go in with the black eyeshadow, and I'm just going to go very lightly, and I'm just going to wing my eye like that. I'm then going to go in with my eyelash curler, and I'm going to curl my eyelashes. Then with the same mascara that I showed you earlier, we're gonna go in and apply our mascara. And that's it for the makeup. So the last thing that I'm gonna apply is some chapstick. And today I'm using a cherry flavored one. So on my everyday looks, this is what I do. So this is what I do on my lips, just regular chapstick. Now if I wanna dress it up and add a little bit more effort, then I'm gonna show you the lipstick and the lip liner that I'm using currently. So if I wanna add color to my lips, I go in with a nude lip liner. And then I go in with the LA Colors Jelly Lip Gloss in the color Sweetened. And that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you did, leave a comment down below. If you have any requests, especially seeing as the holidays are right around the corner and you would like any makeup ideas or even outfit ideas, make sure to leave a comment down below. Make sure that you hit the like button, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that way you'll be notified every time we upload. Also, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and on TikTok. And until next time, guys.